Want to add some smoky flavour to those favourite meats and haven't got a smoker box? I'm going to show you a quick and easy hack. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Don't forget, everything you use in my videos, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So you've got a gas barbecue and you want to add some smoky flavour to your meats and your steaks and haven't got a smoker box? I'm going to show you a quick and easy hack. You can do this with any gas barbecue. You can do it with the Weber Genesis, the Weber Q and the Family Q. If you've got a BBQ, I'll put an iCard above to a smoker packet on how to make that. But today we're going to be making a temporary smoker box. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so to make our smoker box today, there's 4 simple things you're going to need, and you've more than likely got them in your home. First up, you're going to need some wood chips, foil tray, some tin foil or alfoil as they call it in Australia. What you're also going to need is a pen or a pencil. So we'll jump in and start making our smoker box. Right, so first up, you're going to want your foil tray. You're going to want your wood chips. Now these need to be soaked for at least 30 minutes before you cook. And then you just want to drain the water off and we'll transfer them into our tray. So we're just going to transfer our wood chips in. And you put as many as you like. Then we're going to get our tin foil. Now the key to making this is you don't want too much oxygen in there. Then you're going to grab your pen and just going to put some holes in the top. And that's your lot. That's all you need. If you put too many in, obviously the oxygen's going to get in there and it's going to burn too quick. Now this should last around 40 minutes. So let's test it out. Now if you've got the Q or the Family Q, what we're going to do is place it straight on the grill. For demonstration purposes, I'm using the BBQ. Now this should take around 15 minutes to start smoking. Now if you've got a bigger barbecue like the Weber Genesis, the best place to put this is on the flavorizer bars and it will smoke more efficiently. That's been about 10 minutes, so let's just check on it. As you can see, that's started to smoke, so that will last around 30 to 40 minutes. So let's just check on the one on BBQ. Well, this one's been on about 15 minutes and you can see it's smoking already. Now if you've got a Family Q or a medium Q, this is the ideal size for that because you can just move that to one side, you've got a lot more space. We'll put an iCard above to a smoker packet if you've only got the BBQ. So that's smoking, you can get your fish, your steaks on, or even your roasts. And don't forget, everything used in the videos, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So I hope you found that really useful, and as you can see, you can make your own smoker box. This is one I use in my Genesis normally, but what I find with this is you do get a lot of ash as it burns out. It makes a little bit of a mess when you're trying to clean it up. The advantage of making your own is all the ash will stay in the bottom. You can reuse this as many times as you like, just replace the tin foil on the top. Now, if you want to replace those wood chips during your cook, my suggestion is make 2 of these. So you've got one that's cooled down with all your chips in there ready, and then you just switch them over. That smoke just makes a massive addition of kicking that flavour up on your roast, your steaks, or even your chicken. For those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.